Okay, so I'm finally doing this. Hi guys, this is my YouTube channel Life and Little Things. So welcome all. This is my first long form YouTube video and I've also filmed a vlog. I hope you like it.
For the longest time मैं सोच रही थी कि अपना YouTube चैनल एक फैंसी इंट्रो वीडियो के साथ स्टार्ट करूँगी, पर फिर 2 महीने निकल गए और वो इंट्रो कभी बना ही नहीं। और ऑनेस्टली मुझे लगता है वो इंट्रो शायद और कभी बनेगा भी नहीं। तो मैंने सोचा अब बस रैंडमली शुरू करते हैं। सो हाय गाइस, ये मेरा पहला लॉन्ग फॉर्म यूट्यूब वीडियो। थोड़ा नर्वस हूँ पर ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड भी हूँ। और शुरुआत करते इस हफ्ते की कहानी से। कभी कभी कोई एक ऐसा हफ्ता होता है जो बाकी दिनों से बिल्कुल अलग हो जाता है। इस हफ्ते भी ऐसा ही कुछ हुआ। सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक यू थ्रू हाउ माई एंटायर वीक वेंट। वैसे तो मैं पूना से हूँ, पर कभी कभी मुझे मुंबई जाना पड़ता है। मेरे ऑफिस का हेडक्वार्टर उधर है। सो इस हफ्ते भी मैं एक दिन के लिए बॉम्बे गई थी। वहाँ पे एक इवेंट था ऑफिस का। दोपहर तक होटल में चेक इन कर लिया था शाम के इवेंट के लिए। The hotel was very beautiful. It's the Sofitel at BKC. That's me. ऑफिस के कपड़ों में ही घूम रही हूँ। फिर इसके बाद मैं इवेंट पे चली गई एंड वहाँ पे इतना खाया मैंने, मुझे लगा वापस आने के बाद थोड़ा तो मुझे वॉक कर लेना चाहिए। सो आई वेंट टू द जिम एंड ऑनेस्टली मैंने कुछ जिम के कपड़े भी नहीं कैरी किए थे, पर मैंने होटल स्टाफ से बात किया एंड थोड़ा सा रिक्वेस्ट किया इफ़ आई कैन जस्ट यूज़ द ट्रेडमिल इन माई पजामाज। सो दैट्स मी यूजिंग द ट्रेडमिल एट द होटल इन माई पजामाज, वो भी रात के 12 बजे आई थिंक। So this is the favorite part of any hotel stay for me, the breakfast buffet. This is what I picked for myself, some fruits and okay, one thing, the naan was the softest I've ever had. The naan was delicious, really. एंड उसके साथ थोड़े से छोले, थोड़े से आलू एंड ऑल्सो देयर वाज दिस ब्यूटीफुल क्लासिकल म्यूजिक प्लेइंग ऑल अलोंग इन द मॉर्निंग। एंड वहीं से फिर पुणे के लिए वापस स्टार्ट किया मैंने। That's me the next morning. Okay, quick info about me. So I work at a builder company. Okay, so we make fancy commercial buildings, fancy office buildings. And that's me doing a regular site check, the construction checks that we usually have to do. फिर शाम को मेरा फ्लाइट था for गोवा। Around 50 minutes का travel time रहता है to reach from Pune to Goa. I landed at Goa. So this is going to be a girls' trip. So these are my school friend, my college friends. So it has been years that we know each other. एट द एयरपोर्ट मैं एक दोस्त से मिली। सो हम लोग साथ में ही विला पहुंच गए। वहाँ पे मेरी दूसरी दोस्त वेट कर रही थी। फिर शाम को हम गए टीटोज़ लेन इन कैलिंगुड एंड वहाँ पे डिनर किया एंड ये पूरे ट्रिप में बहुत ज़्यादा फ़िश खाया है हमने। So I really wanted to give you a villa tour. First of all, villa हमारा सियोलिम में था, एल टेसोरो नाम है उसका, and it was so beautiful. It was huge and everything was maintained very well. As you can see, the living room बहुत spacious था and बहुत daylight था उसके अंदर, बहुत open लग रहा था, बहुत huge था. Then there was the kitchen. Everything was there. The kitchen was entirely equipped. Fridge से लेके washing machine, utensils, basic condiments, everything was there. Microwave, name it, it's there. I was obsessed with the villa. हमें मन ही नहीं हो रहा था बाहर जाने का. The villa was so beautiful. और फिर ऊपर के फ्लोर में दूसरा बेडरूम था विद द अटैच्ड वॉशरूम, और फिर उसके ऊपर actually the best part of the villa is this huge beautiful terrace. फिर नेक्स्ट डे मेरी तीसरी फ्रेंड उसने हमें ज्वाइन किया, सो इट वाज ऑल फोर ऑफ अस एंड वी वेंट टू दिस रियली कूल प्लेस नेम्ड एज बॉबचिक एंड इट वाज सो वर्थ इट. द फूड वाज एक्सट्रीमली डिलिशियस एंड आई डेफिनेटली रेकमेंड यू मस्ट ट्राई हियर. मैंने एक शॉर्ट्स भी अपलोड किया है टू टॉक मोर अबाउट हाउ दिस प्लेस वाज. इट्स लिंक्ड इन द आई बटन अबव.
We have grilled tofu, grilled chicken, grilled prawns, chicken salami, broccoli, mushroom with Asian sauce. So this particular dish is inspired from Malaysia. I took a cooking technique from Malaysia. This is a Japanese fusion, and recipe is my own. So I'll just mix it.
Then we went to Purple Martini. हमने कोई टेबल बुक नहीं किया था. That's why we were actually disappointed क्योंकि हमें टेबल मिल भी नहीं रहा था, the tables that we wanted. And so we walked away from there and we just started walking if we can find a better place. And we did. So usually वहाँ पे हर जगह पे cover charges रहता है, But then we found this small, not exactly small, it's a decent sized restaurant, but it has the most beautiful view. Probably a better view than Purple Martini. So if you're looking to go somewhere where you don't want the headache of cover charges and all, you should definitely try here. Then we started driving back to our villa. These drives were one of the best memories in the trip. We had tremendous amount of fun, and yeah, for me these were the best parts of the trip. Then शाम को we went to Kalingut. We wanted to try a different restaurant. So this time we did not want to go to the usual, hip and happening places. We wanted to try new restaurants, the hidden gems. So one of them was Fisherman's Wharf, which is in Kalingut. The food was also really good over there. You should definitely try it. And like I said, we had loads and loads of fish. Girls' trip is definitely incomplete without these long chats where you have no count of what hour it is, how much time went by. Next day, we got ready and we wanted to go to Chapora Fort. To be very honest, I did not, but my friends were really excited about it, so I was like, okay, fine, let's go. Okay, quick pro tip. If you go to Chapora Fort, definitely get those umbrellas on rent because it was too sunny, it was too hot. I was almost sick, but when I reached the Chapora Fort at the top, the view was worth it. Hi guys, we are at Goan Kitchen. Okay, so the next restaurant that I'm going to show you, you must try this if you want to try authentic Goan food. It is extremely good, the best one that I had in this trip actually, and I'm sure I'm going to go there multiple times whenever I'm in Goa. If there is one dish that I would definitely recommend you to have, is वहाँ का chonak thali. It was very tasty. By now I've been to Goa so many times, पर इससे अच्छा fish thali मैंने गोवा में भी नहीं खाया. So if you have to try the best fish thali in Goa, you should definitely try this restaurant. So one thing I got to know from one of my friends that Goa has this very special dessert. I think the name is Serradora, and very few places in Goa serve this. One of such places was Temptation, and it was fine. The dessert was fine, but I think the bottom layer of the dessert is what actually turned out to be the best. So we had planned that our last morning in Goa, we are going to just spend it at one of the beaches, and we chose Anjuna Beach, and the morning view over there is so worth it. It was almost empty and the view was super amazing over there. We again went back to Temptation to have our morning breakfast. Had this amazing sandwich from there. It was really delicious, and that's how we wrapped up our trip. Okay, that's about it. See you all in my next video.